Cory, I know you can hear me. You have to go now. God has called you back home. We who are still here on earth are not ready to say goodbye. We will never meet a woman as great as you for a very long time. We will miss you. We accept it. You are not ours. You are God's. It is the truth, but it hurts us deeply. President Cory, thank you for being our light when we were afraid. Thank you for showing us that to be a Filipino is a great blessing from God. Tita Cory, thank you for teaching us how to pray. Amid clashing voices and confusing noise, your prayer was a silent power. Thank you for teaching us that true people power is prayer power. Even for the past weeks, as you suffered alone in your hospital room, you taught us how to pray again. How you bore your afflictions with grace-filled resignation taught us the dignity of suffering. Thank you for teaching us the dignity of suffering. Thank you for teaching us to stand up for freedom and to preserve democracy, no matter what the cost may be. Tita Cory, thank you for showing us the true meaning of love for family through your love for your children and their love for you. Even now, in their moment of ineffable grief, they share you with us, sacrificing moments of personal mourning and sharing with us their loving memories of you. President Cory, move on. You have fought a good fight. The battle is over. The victory is won. You are now truly free. You are now fully happy. Move on to heaven and be with your beloved Ninoy forever. Heaven is where the two of you will die no longer. Harvest the rich fruits of your toil on earth. When in heaven, I know you will see again my beloved Cardinal Sin. Please bring to him my love, and with him, pray to God for our cherished country, the Philippines. Rest now, Tita Cory. Rest in God. Salamat po. Paalam po.
Nag-alay ng ganda dilag at sa kanyang yumi at ganda dayuhan ay nahalina. Bayan ko binihag ka, nasadlak sa dusa. Kayang sakdal dilag ang dimag na sang makaalpak.
nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat sa effort ninyong pumila sa gitna ng matinding init at malakas na pagbuhos ng ulan para po masulyapan ang mommy namin, magbigay respeto at maipagdasal siya sa huling pagkakataon. Isa po sa huling binili ng mom sa akin ay ang magpasalamat po ako sa inyong lahat. You have given our family honor beyond anything we could ever have hoped to receive. That no matter how great the sacrifices of my parents, I can honestly say to all of you that for my family, the Filipinos are worth it.
Bayan pa kayang sakdal dilag, ang di magnasang makaalpas.